Shocking America. Reacting to high taxes in America 2024. You won't believe the outrageous new taxes Americans are facing in 2024. It's jaw-dropping. Hey, guys. Today we are diving deep into the shocking world of taxes in America. Did you know that taxes have been on the rise since 2020? It's time to uncover the truth behind these staggering statistics. Welcome back. In 2024, high taxes in America are a hot topic, affecting individuals and businesses alike. Let's take a closer look at how this trend is impacting our economy and daily lives. Sensible facts. So, why the sudden surge in taxes? Well, there are various factors at play here. The increase in taxes not only burdens taxpayers but also poses challenges for businesses, hindering economic growth and investment. It's a complex issue with far-reaching consequences. Rising federal deficits, increased government spending, and economic policies aimed at addressing wealth inequality have all contributed to the tax hikes. For individuals, this means less disposable income, and for businesses, it translates to reduced investment and expansion opportunities. Let's break it down further. From income taxes to property taxes, various types have seen a significant spike. These hikes are hitting hard, especially when compared to previous years. The impact is palpable, and it's time we understand the full scope of the situation. Substantial rise. Income taxes have seen a substantial rise, with the top marginal tax rate climbing to levels not seen in decades. Property taxes in many states have also surged, placing additional financial strain on homeowners. Sales taxes, corporate taxes, and capital gains taxes have all seen increases as well. Now, hear a real-life story. Now, let's shine a light on a real-life story. Meet Sarah, a hard-working single mother. Due to the increased taxes, she is struggling to make ends meet and provide for her family. Sarah's story is just one of many, highlighting the human toll of high taxes in America. I used to be able to save a little bit each month, but now, with the higher taxes, I'm just scraping by. It's tough, and I worry about what the future holds for my kids and me. Now, it is a historical context. Let's take a moment to dive into the historical context. Understanding the past can help us better grasp why taxes have risen so dramatically in 2024. Historically, taxes have fluctuated based on economic needs, wars, social programs, and political ideologies. Great Depression. During the Great Depression, taxes were increased to fund New Deal programs. World War II saw further hikes to support the war effort. In the 1980s, however, there was a significant shift towards tax cuts under Reaganomics. These policies aimed to stimulate economic growth but also led to increased deficits and a widening wealth gap. Present-day tax data. Fast forward to today, the tax landscape is once again in flux. With the challenges of modern governance, including healthcare, social security, and infrastructure, the need for revenue has never been greater. The debate continues on how to balance these needs without overburdening taxpayers. What is the impact on different income groups? Let's now analyze the economic impact on different income groups. The effects of high taxes are not uniformly felt, they vary significantly across income brackets. How much tax burdens increase by income group? Low-income families, like Sarah's, often bear a disproportionate burden relative to their income. Middle-class families are squeezed by both higher income and property taxes. High-income earners face increased marginal tax rates, but they also benefit from sophisticated tax planning and deductions. Voice of the financial experts. The middle class is particularly affected because they don't qualify for many of the benefits that low-income earners receive, yet they also don't have the resources to take advantage of tax shelters and loopholes like the wealthy. Voice of the economists. While progressive taxation aims to redistribute wealth, the current system sometimes misses the mark, leading to significant strain on middle and lower-income households. Global comparison. How does the US stack up against other countries when it comes to taxes? To understand this, let's look at global comparisons. In Europe, countries like Denmark and Sweden have higher overall tax rates but offer extensive social services. In contrast, the US has traditionally had lower taxes but also less comprehensive social safety nets. However, with the recent hikes, the gap is narrowing. As per Swedish said that they pay high taxes here, but we also have free healthcare and education, which balances out the high rates. As per analysts said, the US is unique in its federal structure, where states have significant autonomy. This results in a patchwork of tax policies that can vary drastically from one state to another. Potential solutions. Policy proposals and reforms. So, what can be done? Let's explore some potential solutions and policy reforms that could address the issue of high taxes without stifling economic growth. There are several proposals on the table. Some suggest revising the tax code to eliminate loopholes and ensure that the wealthy pay their fair share. Others advocate for reducing government spending and finding efficiencies within existing programs. Policymakers ask for a tax system that is fair and equitable, ensuring that those who can afford to pay more do so without crushing the middle and lower classes. Activists want tax reforms should focus on transparency and accountability, ensuring that tax revenues are used effectively for public good. Equitable economic system. Innovative solutions like a universal basic income or a carbon tax have also been proposed to create a more sustainable and equitable economic system. Advocacy and involvement. Now, more than ever, it's important for us to be informed and involved. High taxes impact us all, and collective action can lead to meaningful change. Join advocacy groups, attend local government meetings, and stay informed about tax legislation. Your voice matters in this crucial debate. To wrap things up, it's crucial to address the urgency of tackling the issue of high taxes. We've seen how it affects individuals like Sarah and the broader economy. It's time for action and reform to ensure a more equitable tax system for all. I want to hear from you. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments. How have the tax changes affected you? What solutions do you think would work best? Don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content on pressing issues like this. Together, we can make a difference. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.